Do you want to earn money while you sleep? While you're out getting stuff done? While you're out on the lake? Or while you're out of town for the weekend? In today's video, I share with you 10 passive ways to earn income. So if you want to get your time back and live a life of freedom, make sure you watch this till the end. What is passive income? It's generating income that requires little to no work to keep earning and to maintain. You may need to put in a lot of time and effort to build a passive income source at the beginning, but once it's complete, you can sit back and allow your passive income source to earn you money while you sleep. You may also use money to create a passive income source, but once again, that money will require time to make. So to create a passive income source, you will need to front load your work or invest your money. What is active income? It's income received from performing a service that you must be present for in order to earn income. For example, a restaurant worker, construction worker, mechanic, engineer, doctors, and lawyers. So pretty much any job or career that you earn an hourly wage, salary, or commissions. The problem with active income is that your earning potential is limited. What's it limited by? It's limited by time. So to earn more money, you need to work more, and there's only 24 hours in a day, and you can only work so many hours per day. What's more valuable than money? Time. Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. With that being said, let's jump into the list of the 10 passive income sources. Number 1, dividend income. This is one of the easiest way to earn passive income. There is no front loading any work. Your dividend income will depend on how much money you invest. Dividend income, in short, is income received from a company's profits. For example, if you buy a share of the company Bell, you own a piece of that company. And as a shareholder, you are entitled to a portion of the profits as a dividend. Not all companies pay a dividend, and some companies pay more than others. To start earning dividend income, all you need to do is open an online brokerage account and research which dividend stocks you want to invest in. Buy your stocks, and that's it. Collect your dividend payouts, which are sometimes monthly or quarterly. So how much dividend income can you earn? Well, let's say you have an average dividend yield of 4%, which is an average safe yield. The higher the yield, usually the more risk involved. If you had $300,000, you could earn $12,000 a year in dividends, which will give you $1,000 per month. Could you live off $1,000 per month? Probably not. But if you build your dividend portfolio big enough, essentially you could live off the dividends. This is a popular choice for the people in the FIRE movement. They build up their dividend portfolio at the same time reducing expenses so they can retire early. Number 2, phone farming. Now what in the heck is phone farming? It's the process of using mobile devices to download apps that earn income. You wouldn't use your everyday mobile device. It's best to use old Android smartphones. So if you have any old Android phones laying around, you're already ahead of the game. Then I would recommend asking friends and family if they have any old Android phones they're willing to part with. If not, check your local classified ads to see if you can find phones for under $50. The more expensive the phone, the longer it will take to make your money back. There's 2 apps in Canada that I know that pays and that I currently use, Cashback and Honeygain. With Cashback, you can run up to 4 devices and earn up to $50 per month. With Honeygain, you can run 2 devices and earn up to $20 a month, depending on your location and internet speed. So with 6 devices, that's $70 per month. And this income is passive. Just keep the device plugged in and run the app 24/7, and that's it. If you're concerned about energy consumption, it will cost you about $2.50 for the year per device if you ran it the whole time. Phone farming is an up and down game. Some phone farmers use up to 100 devices with multiple routers to earn up to $1,000 per month. Even if you only earn $70 per month, do you know how many dividend stocks you would need to hold in order to make $70 per month? $21,000 worth. So even if you paid $50 per phone and you had 6 phones, it would only cost you $300 to earn $70 a month. And phone farming is just as passive as dividend stocks. Number 3, high yield savings accounts. With a high yield savings account, you can make passive income in the most risk-free way and the most easiest way. All you need to do is hold money in a savings account. At the minimum, you should be at least doing this with your money. I would use a savings account for 2 things. Your emergency fund, and any short-term financial goals, like saving up for a big purchase within a few years. Your emergency fund, fully funded, should be at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. And a big common purchase goal is saving for a down payment for a house. If you're 4+ years away from buying a house, then maybe you shouldn't consider investing to grow your money faster. But if you're within 1 to 3 years of buying a house, a savings account will keep your down payment free from risks. A savings account will only keep up with inflation, which is around 2% a year. Before the pandemic, savings account rates were much higher. Currently, you can open a high interest savings account with EQ Bank with a 2% annual rate, or open a TFSA with Motive Financial with a 2.05% rate. So how much passive income can you earn from this? If you went for EQ Bank and had emergency fund of $10,000, you would earn on average $16.82 per month. And let's say you had $50,000 for a down payment on a house sitting in an EQ Bank account. You would earn on average $84.10 per month. So you can earn just over $100 in passive income per month just by keeping your emergency fund and any short-term saving goals in a high-yield savings account. Number 4, capital gains from investing. You can earn passive income simply by buying shares of a company and selling them later down the road when the value of the share increases. The profit you earn when selling your shares will be capital gain income. There's 2 passive ways of doing this. Open an online brokerage account and pick your stocks to invest in, or open a Robo-advisor account and let them do all the work. When investing on your own, you have the potential for the highest returns, but this requires more work and has more risks. With a Robo-advisor, the most work involved is answering a few questions to determine your risk tolerance so they can pick an appropriate portfolio for you. Wealthsimple Invest does this the best. With only a 0.5% management fee, Wealthsimple will do everything for you, making investing completely passive. How much can you earn? Currently, my Wealthsimple portfolio has an annual return of 7.2%, and that's considering the market crash we had earlier this year that we are still recovering from. So if you had $20,000 in a portfolio and it grew 7% annually, you would earn around $116 per month. If you were investing in individual stocks, your potential returns are unlimited. You could see a 7% return in just one day, or 2-3 times your money in a few months. But this is a double-edged sword, so make sure you do your own research before you do any investing. Number 5, cashback rewards. Imagine needing to buy groceries for your family, gas for your car, pay for your internet and power bills, buying all the essentials you need to survive, plus a few things that you don't need but would really love to have. Whether you use credit cards or not, you will buy these things anyway. So why not earn cash back doing so? To earn cash back, there's no extra work involved. So it's passive. And technically, it's cash back and not income, so any cash back is tax-free. There's 2 main strategies for earning rewards. The all-in-one card, usually with an annual fee, but with a higher reward rate, or using multiple cards with no annual fee with a specialized reward rate. Let's say on average you earn 2% cash back with multiple cards with no annual fee. Then let's say you spend $2,500 a month on cashback eligible goods and services, which is low compared to the average Canadian, but we frugal. You would earn $50 a month in cash back, aka passive income. You're going to spend the money anyway, so why not earn passive income doing so? Number 6, rental income. You could earn passive income from renting out apartments or houses that you own. This means you become a landlord. There is some work involved when becoming a landlord, but you could hire a property manager to make rental income pretty passive. When renting out your property, the renter pays for your mortgage. You're building equity with someone else's money. On top of that, your property may appreciate. Over time, depending on many factors, the value of your property may increase, building your equity once again. But you want monthly income. So how do you achieve that? Through cash flow. Cash flow is the difference between rent collected and all operating expenses. Operating costs include vacancies, repairs, management fees, delinquencies, etc. It's easier to achieve greater cash flow when dealing with multifamily homes like duplexes and triplexes. It's very possible to own enough properties with enough cash flow to earn a full-time income and retire. And if you hire a property manager, then this could be a passive income source. But if you don't have enough money to start buying properties, you can also earn passive income by renting out a room or investing in REITs. What is a REIT? Real Estate Investment Trust. REITs are traded like a normal stock on a stock exchange. You could earn passive income with REITs by earning dividends and capital appreciation. The rest of the passive income sources on this list will involve more work at first and more time than money. But before we get into that, if you like this video, can I get you to hit the like button and share this with a friend? Number 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other companies' products and earn a commission through a sale. For example, sign up for Wealthsimple Invest using my link found in the video description below and deposit at least $500 to earn yourself a $50 sign-up bonus. Using my link won't cost you anything extra, and actually if you don't use it, you won't get the sign-up bonus, neither will I. How is this passive? Well, it can be passive. At first, you need to build an audience on social media, a website, a blog, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. This cannot be done overnight. Well, it has been, but the chances are very low. It might take months to years, or you may not ever be successful. But once you do have a decent audience, you can achieve a full-time income through affiliate marketing. This can be considered passive because it's work you did in the past, can still pay you currently and in the future. Like if you had a blog and made a post last year, any affiliate links attached to that post has the potential to pay you now. But if you stop making content for your blog, eventually your blog will die out and you will lose your audience. So to keep past posts earning income, you will need to create fresh content to keep growing your audience and keep growing your affiliate marketing income. Income earned through affiliate marketing will depend on many factors, like which niche are you in, the platform you use, the size of your audience, and the number of affiliate partners. This passive income source doesn't require a lot of money, but there's lots of work involved getting it off the ground and maintaining it. Number 8, Adsense. Google Adsense is a free service offered by Google for content creators. If you have a blog, website, YouTube channel, or other online platform, you can monetize your platform by placing ads in it. Companies will pay Google to advertise their business, then Google will pay you to place ads with your content. For example, I receive a small percentage of earnings for having ads placed in my videos, which helps me feed my cat. So if you want to support my family, don't skip the ads. Am I allowed to say that? How much can you earn from Google AdSense? Once again, it depends on your niche. Some of the highest paying niches include fitness, makeup, stock market, real estate, and personal finance. Also, the platform you use, a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel, and the size of your audience and how much traffic you can generate, plus many, many more factors. So it's hard to say how much money you can earn from AdSense, but let's say it ranges from $1 to $1 million per month. This income is considered passive because you're getting paid from content that you made months or years ago. If you decided that you wanted to go on a trip for a full month and didn't produce any new content, you would still get paid and earnings probably wouldn't get affected. Now, if you stop producing content for years, eventually your content will be out of date and your earnings will be affected, and you can make a full-time living off AdSense. But in order to keep the momentum going, you will need to keep producing content. And like I already said, building a big audience will take a lot of work and time, but it can be done with very little money. Number 9, royalty income. Royalty income is income received from allowing someone to use your work or property. For example, if you create a song, you get paid when someone downloads your song, streams your song from a paid streaming service, or even when they use your song in a movie, TV show, or other content. Other ways you can make royalty income include selling stock photos, writing books and ebooks, and making videos. In order for someone to use your property, they must buy the rights off of you. How much can you make from royalty income? You can make a few extra bucks to making a full-time living to making $70 million if you're the person that created the happy birthday song. Nevertheless, it's passive income and your royalties could last your whole life and even up to 70 years after you die. Number 10, create a product or start a business. Starting a business can be far from passive. Anyone who started a business can tell you it takes a lot of work. You need to put all the work in to maximize your profits. But once your business is stable and profitable, you can hire others to take the workload off you. And you can go as far as hiring someone to manage your business for you. That's when your business can start to be passive. Have your business ran by other people while you collect a check and do whatever you like. This can be the riskiest way to earn income. Not only are you investing money, but you're investing time as well. But starting a business can have the biggest payoff. You can even earn passive income from creating a digital product. Products like an online course, software, apps, and games. Once the product is created, it can be sold over and over again and no further work is required. So the income from your product is passive. Now, why is passive income so important? Passive income allows you to earn money without taking up all of your time. Society wants you to work your whole life and retire broke at the ripe old age of 65. Or you could use passive income to retire at the age of 30. To reach financial freedom sooner, you will need to combine passive income with your active income with being frugal. So if you want to live a life of freedom, the freedom to do whatever you want, the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want, then start building your passive income sources. If financial freedom sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when a new video comes out. If you already make passive income, tell us what it is in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace.